Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect Shopify to Google Merchant Center. So the first thing that we should do here is we just have to open our Shopify store. All right. And then once you're here, you just have to click on this add option under the apps. That's right. And then here, click on the Shopify App Store. Then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Google and YouTube. All right, so just type it right here, Google and YouTube. So you'd be able to see these apps. So you just have to look for this app right here. So let me just find the Google and YouTube. So we have this one, the best match at the top. So you just have to click on it. Now click on the install option. All right. So once you're done installing this app to your Shopify store, the next thing that we are going to do here is to click on the app that we have installed. That's right. And then we have this option right here, connect to Google account. So click on it and then click on allow. So once you're here, in order for you to connect your account, is you have to follow the different steps. All right. So you just have to choose your Google account after that and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Right, so you just have to click on continue. All right, you're just going to select everything and click on continue once again. All right, so once you're ready, the next thing that you are going to do here, you have to click on the connect. So this will sync your product. You can turn product synced off or on, it's up to you. Then after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds while they're checking your site claim. Okay, so now we have successfully connected our Google Merchant accounts. You just have to finish these steps that you can find here. All right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.